Join us on this adventure as we unveil 10 incredible living room setups straight from homes across America. Envision a world where clean white tones mingle effortlessly with inviting textures and stylish accents, crafting an environment that's both soothing and energetic. In these designs, furniture and decor blend seamlessly to create a space that's modern yet timeless. The use of various materials adds depth and character to every corner, inviting you to step in and explore. Don't forget to hit the ally button and subscribe to our channel for more fantastic design inspiration. Natural and artificial lighting team up to breathe life into every inch of the room. And those cozy throw pillows. They're strategically placed to create a warm and inviting atmosphere that you'll absolutely adore.